Students of class 2, how are you? I hope you will be good. Open your book of Oxford Progressive English, page number 17. Here we are with Unit 2, Lesson 7. In this lesson, we will learn about sides or directions. Dear students, look at the arrows. These arrows are pointing different sides. Here you can see 4 sides: right, up, left, down. This arrow is pointing right side. Dear students, this arrow is showing direction right. We will put here RIGHT, right. Look how I have written right. Now here we will write up. Up means from the lower to the higher. Dear students, this arrow is showing left. This arrow is showing left. We will write here left, left. Dear students, this arrow is showing down. We will write here DOWN, down. Dear students, our body have 2 sides. We have 2 hands. One hand is right and one hand is left. We have one hand is right and one hand is left. Our feet are in down and our hair are in up. And also our legs are in down and our face is up. So this arrow is showing right, this arrow is showing up, this arrow is showing left, this arrow is showing down. Number 1 right, number 2 up, number 3 left, number 4 down. Dear students, come to the exercise B. Follow the instructions. Don't take your pencil off the paper. It is a game. It's very interesting. In this game, we don't have to stop. We have to continue writing, drawing lines. Dear students, look at this chart. We have to draw lines with these along with these alphabets. We have to join these alphabet with lines. Here we are given 4 letters A, B, C, D, E. 5 letters. We will start joining these letters together. We will start from letter A. You can see that first line is drawn for us. We have to go 4 squares to point B. Now count the squares. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here we are. We will join A to B. Number 3 is go back 2 square to the point C. Dear students, now we are given with examples. For example, is A to B and B to C. Now listen to me carefully and don't stop your pencil. Continue drawing lines. You will draw lines and you will play this game very well and show me the picture at the end of this lesson. Dear students, let's start with C. We have to go up 2 squares to point D. 1, 2. Yes. Go down 6 square to point E. Where we have to go? We have to go down. Count these squares. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now go down. Oh, It's very sad. My line is not straight. But it's not the problem. We have to make it continue. Now we have to go to the point A. Now join E with A. We have to go to left and then up. Now we have to join A to D. We will go up 2 squares. Go left 2 squares. Now we have to join D to B. Now we have to join B to E. Now start with E. Go down 1 square. 1 square to left. One square. 1 square to right. Go down 1 square. 1 square to right. Go down 1 square. 1 square to right. And here we joined E to F. Oh wow, let's have a look. We have played very well. Now, dear students, you will send me the picture and I will see how you have played. I hope you will play very well. Dear students, look at this. It is your homework to draw arrow like this and make these arrows colorful and write along like this, right? Up, left, down. Okay students, draw the colorful arrows and write along the sides like up, left, down. I hope you will understand and you have enjoyed the game. And also show me your game. Till then, Allah Hafiz, bye bye. Stay safe, stay healthy.